With a sparker insert, you can transform any flip-top style lighter into a rechargeable, windproof lighter. Simply remove your lighter's old fuel cartridge and replace it with a sparker insert. The electrodes form an X to conveniently light anything, and the powerful electric arc is truly windproof. Traditional fuel is smelly and hard to refill. The sparker is micro USB rechargeable, so it's easy to charge anywhere and won't smell up your pocket. With a durable chrome metal finish, the sparker will be looking just as good as your old lighter for years to come. Bring your old lighter back to life and spark it up.
Introducing the InnoGear Essential Oil Diffuser. The InnoGear Essential Oil Diffuser is easy to use. Just fill up the tank below the max line, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, turn on the diffuser, and relax. The diffuser is also a perfect solution to humidify your bedroom, preventing irritated sinuses or sore throat from dry, stuffy air. Choose from 2 misting modes: intermittent mist, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, that will last for 6 to 8 hours, or continuous mist that will last 3 to 4 hours. The InnoGear Essential Oil Diffuser is worry-free. It shuts off automatically when the water runs out. Whisper quiet and cool to the touch, the diffuser is safe to use and comes with 8 color settings, making it a great nightlight for your little ones. Relax and sleep better. Buy your InnoGear Essential Oil Diffuser now.
Allowed on desks across America.